How to buy Ethereum on MetaMask Wallet. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to easily buy Ethereum on the MetaMask Wallet app. You can find this app both on Google Play Store as well as the App Store. Once you download the app, you just have to open it and set up your profile. If you already have a wallet, you can just enter it by entering the security phrase. But if you don't have it, you can just follow the on-screen instructions to create a new wallet. So once you are logged in, all you have to do here is right on top, you will see Ethereum. So you just have to tap on next here. And once you tap on next, you will have to choose your country on the top right side of your screen and your state as well. Once you do that, you can choose Ethereum or any kind of cryptocurrency you want to trade. So once you choose Ethereum, you just want to enter the amount that you want to use to purchase the Ethereum. And once you do that, you can update your payment method if you want. You can use Google Pay, debit or credit card, PayPal, Instant HCH Bank, wire transfer, or Venmo. So right now I'm just going to choose credit or debit card. Once you do that, tap on done and tap on get codes. Once you do that, it's fetching your codes, so you just have to wait for a bit. So you actually have two options. You can either continue with Mercurio or MoonPay. I'm just going to choose the first option. And once you do that, you will just have to enter your payment details and you should be able to purchase Ethereum. So if you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.